Okay guys, we're going to start where we left off here. I wasn't able to fix the screen thing. I'm not sure what's going on. Well, I haven't even looked at it, to be honest, because I've been too sick. But I'm going to do a little maintenance. I'm not even sure if you can see this, but I'm going to name this hopper. And I'm going to name this guy down here header. Alright, just some cleanup. Okay, now these things here are going to be removed because I'm going to replace them with caps, but I need to drill a hole down the middle of this real quick, so let's get rid of these. I just click on them, find the extrusion down here in the timeline, delete it, and do the same thing to the other. Alright, let's go ahead and rotate this around. I need to find this sketch here. Turn it on. Alright, so I'd roughly put I believe a 3/4 inch hole there. And I want it to be 11/16. So we're going to modify that, adjust that down, and kick a hole through here. I'm just going to put, like, I don't really want to deal with a pipe thread tapered or anything like that, so I'm just gonna probably just get some regular screws, 3/4. I can't remember the size I chose for that. 3/4 16, I believe. Alright, so we're gonna move on past this. This is gonna be a pretty short video because I've got to get to work here soon, or start heading to Houston. So this is a little header. Let's get rid of this. The hopper, this header, hide all of these extra things here. What we're going to want to do is, this is going to be a separate pieces. The first part's going to have some springs and such for a one-way valves. This little exit valve will probably be attached in that little piece, and that piece will screw onto this, which will actually be the syringe, for lack of a better term. So let's see if we have a sketch out here. Looks like we already have a sketch out here on the end. Oh, no, that sketch is for something else. Let's create a new sketch. Alright, so we're going to create a sketch here. Make a circle. So I'm going to do a half 20 thread here. So alright. Now we're going to go ahead and pull this out. But I want to get it to about the middle of here. Okay. Now I want this to be one piece here, so I hid the header so it wouldn't cut through. Alright, so now we have basically this part, which crams up against no hole here. Now I could do, you know, a cut with that part just for basically looks, but I'm going to come back in later and actually put the correct drill holes that I want, because these parts are going to be cut individually, so you know, I'll just do them how they should be done individually. So we'll go ahead and name that filler 1 something. Alright, now the problem currently is, if I turn all these bodies back on, you will see that none of them have the little nipple thing sticking off of them. So I just need to adjust the timeline. I'm not sure if you can see this. I hope you can. I'm just going to drag this extrusion back 2 steps before the pattern, and then if we hide that, you can see that it went ahead and moved out all throughout. I think that's really all I'm going to do today. Like I said, I've got to run to Houston to start my day job here soon. But this, you know, give a little update as to what I'm doing here. I plan on again making from here to maybe back to here or so a piece that, you know, screws on or something, and and this being a second piece off here. So kind of running through my thought process. My brain's a little muddy right now. Still sick and whatnot, but anyway, I'm gonna save that out, and I think that's gonna be it for today, time wise. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see the rest.